am here today to teach you how to do the jogless stripes that are used in my Sunshine and Shade cowl. And that is how you can change colors as you're working the stripes, and it makes it much easier to hide where you start and where you end. Okay, so let's dive in. Got my stripes section of the pattern all set up for you guys here. And you can see I've got the written instructions on one side, and I have the chart here on the other side. So the chart starts, row 1 is down here, and the dark is knitting in color A. The white is knitting in color B. In this case, with my yarn choices, the dark gray, the Thunderstorm, was my color A, and the yellow is Sunshine, and that was my color B. So in a previous video, I showed you how to do the provisional cast on, and we're going to use that at the end to join our tube into a loop to make the cowl. So I've got my provisional cast on here at the bottom, and I have knit the first 4 rows of the pattern for you. And now we are ready to join color B, and then we're going to knit that section. So what I've got for you is I've got the 4 rows all set up and done, and just 1 stitch left in that round, in round 4, to work. So I'm going to knit that stitch. I'm going to slip my beginning of round marker, and just like you would normally, we are going to leave a bit of a tail, and we're going to work the first stitch of round 5. Just like normal. Okay, I'm going to knit around for this round 5 with color B, and I will be back to show you what to do next. So far all you've done was joined color B, just like you normally would. You just started knitting with color B, but I'm going to show you the trick, and that's going to come at the beginning of the second round. So knit your round, and pause the video if you need to, and I will be right back. Hey guys, I am back, and I have worked almost all of the stitches in the first round of the new color. And I paused here because I wanted to show you what I have going on, and I wanted you to see the whole transition, and that is what makes this little jogless stripes trick kind of magic, because it's really simple to do. So we've got the tails from the provisional cast on. I've got my working yarn of color A, my starting tail of color A, and my starting tail of color B. Up here at the top, I have my working yarn for color A and color B. And I am ready to show you this in action. So I'm going to knit the last stitch like normal of the round. This is the first round of the new color. I'm going to slip my beginning of marker round right over, and we are going to just slip. I'm slipping the first stitch of the first round purlwise. Tighten that up a little bit, and now I'm just going to continue knitting. That's it. When we get back to this stitch, we are just going to treat it normally, and we're just going to knit it. That's it. That's all there is to it. And then you'll have jogless stripes, and that gives you these jogless stripes, where I'm going to flip that over, and you can't even really see where they begin and end, but I'm going to show you that it's here. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Let me know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.